Hi everyone, and welcome to another crochet tutorial with me, Veronica from Garnknuten. In this video you'll learn how to crochet a single crochet ribbing. A ribbing can be useful when you crochet, for example, hats or mittens. You can attach the ribbon to your project after you crocheted it or attach it as you go, which is the way I'm going to show you. You need to decide at the beginning how long you want your ribbing because it's crocheted vertically. My ribbing is 8 stitches long, but you can make it as long or as short as you like. Start your ribbing by crocheting your desired amount of chain stitches. Crochet 1 extra stitch and turn. Skip the extra chain stitch and crochet 1 single crochet in each chain stitch. Be careful not to miss any stitches. Attach the ribbing by skipping 1 stitch and make a slip stitch in the next stitch on the edge of your project. Turn your ribbing. On the 3rd row you will crochet 1 single crochet in the back loop of each stitch. Crochet 1 extra chain stitch and turn. Continue to crochet 1 single crochet in each back loop of all the stitches. Attach the ribbing by skipping 1 stitch and make a slip stitch in the next stitch on the edge of your project. Continue like this with row 3 and 4 until the ribbing is as wide as you want. Congratulations! Now you'll learn how to crochet a single crochet ribbing. You'll find more patterns, tutorials and inspiration over at garnknuten.com. Thank you for watching, bye!